There you go.
No.
Okay.
Get my phone, you African. Get my phone.
Hi. Just going to that.
He took it. I'm putting it away now.
Yeah, make sure you put it away because next time I speak mine.
The one with the red jacket.
Somebody who looks like the cartoon.
Okay, let's see here. Again, I'm gonna ask people whoever audio's on needs to turn it off.
Yeah, turn your audio off. Are you playing Chloe?
Seriously.
Me?
It's not Chloe, it's Lucas.
Or else I'm gonna have to turn off everybody's laptop.
Turn all of them off.
Don't do it.
And then whoever's doing that needs to stop it.
I think
Yeah, Chloe, stop. Laws.
It's the cream. It's cream.
See if we can do it on back there.
Cream.
Okay.
Why is this thing
Because we have to talk. Because somebody wants to be dramatic. Well, if you did wrong with that's why she don't like it. But, okay.
That's not the hamburger.
Okay, apparently whoever still has their sound on is not listening.
No, don't turn off my work.
Okay, but whoever that person is, you better tell them to turn it off like right now.
Yeah, turn it off now.
It's Chloe.
Bro, I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
Crazy. I already wearing Chloe.
I'm trying to turn
I can't put this on. I'm smell like another girl.
You like him, huh?
I'm gonna yell at. But do I care?
No.
Dang, Isaiah.
Wow.
Oh, you're
Guys, it's not that. It's hand cream.
I'm going with Miss Torres. It's on your shoe.
My shoe?
Okay. Ooh.